Hey guys, so this is an update. Normally I don't do like work in progress, progressive videos, but I thought maybe this one would be good to do. So I took all the parts out and then I test fitted everything, including the lights here. You notice I got a little light bleed back here, but if you push it down, it'll go away. So I'll use some Gorilla Tape to tape it down once I paint everything. And this will be sufficiently eerie. So to show you how that works, let's turn the lights on here. And so remove the glass panel. Carefully, don't break it. You only have one. And so here's the metal frame. Just have that. Put it on top of the glass. Right. And so here are the fluorescents. I recessed them into the cardboard. That's what's so nice about this wafered cardboard. You just trace your shape, make a cut with a sharp knife or X-Acto, and you can literally just punch it down because it has that wafer. I even use a little hammer. I actually did use this little hammer to smash it down, and then you just peel it out. And then you got this recessed. And then of course just run your cut through here for your electrical cord. And so I put these paint. These are Lowe's. They come in a bundle of 5. They're real cheap paint stirrers. Just cut the ends off. They use the ends away. They use the ends for little short stirrers. And so I also have this red LED in the back. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not, but yeah. So glued everything down, reinforced everything, and I'll take the lights out and I'll prime the whole thing, and then I'll use hairspray or salt or something to put the layers on, because I want to have the kind of chipped peeling paint. Remember, this is supposed to be, you know, maybe 150, 200 years old facility that you find in the future. So I will update you after the priming and into the painting. Hope you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. You'll find a lot of interesting things as I continue to experiment with found objects. skphile out.